Thank you for attending my well-timed presentation on swimming pool cleaning safety in December of 2021. Well, I'm sure you'll remember it come spring. It's springtime, and you need to get the swimming pool ready for summertime use. If you purchased a complete pool setup, then you have a pool pump and filter ready to go. Your pool kit may have included a basic in-pool automatic cleaning device similar to this one. This device is attached by the hose to your skimmer inlet, where the suction provided by your pump through the hose will propel the device across the bottom and sometimes up the sides of the pool, sucking up debris into the filter. Warning: nobody should be in the pool when this hose is unfurled. Your hose will be routed through the skimmer opening as shown on the left. This opening happens to be closed off for the winter, and then inserted into the bottom outlet of the skimmer as shown in the picture on the right. This filter-driven cleaning device works fairly well for many pool installations. The disadvantage of this configuration is that, with the hose plugged directly into the skimmer is actually disabled, and only the water sucked into the device from the bottom of the pool is being filtered. Anything that falls into the pool, such as bugs or leaves, will float on top of the water until it eventually sinks to the bottom, where it can then be filtered out through the automatic cleaning device. For pool sites such as ours that have local trees, this resulted in several leaves floating and or sinking to the bottom after the rest of the bottom of the pool had been cleaned by the automatic cleaning device. So we found and purchased a more advanced cleaning device that actually moves through the pool under its own power and sucks debris into a self-contained basket. This configuration allows the skimmer to continue sucking debris that fall on the surface of the pool to be filtered out through the skimmer opening, resulting in a cleaner pool with less cleaning time. Enter the dolphin. Our dolphin didn't quite look like this one. We purchased this robo cleaner called the Dolphin. Our dolphin came in this box, and it doesn't look like a cute dolphin at all. When you open the dolphin up, a convenient handle pops up. Then you can remove the debris basket and the screens to clean everything. Our dolphin doesn't have a cute bottle nose, but did you notice what our dolphin has that a real dolphin doesn't have? That's right, our dolphin has an electrical power cord. That's because our dolphin doesn't run on fish like a real dolphin. It runs using electrical power. While this electrical dolphin is crawling across the bottom of the pool, guess where that electrical cord is? That's right, the attached float on the cable directs the cord vertically up to the surface of the water, and then the cord runs into this power supply. The output rating on the power supply is 120 watts at 29 volts. Probably not a lethal dose, but you'd feel it if it shorted out into the water at that level. The power supply, however, is plugged into a regular 120 volt receptacle. So if the worst case power supply failure occurred, you could get a direct 120 volt shock to anyone in the water or touching the steel pool walls. So while the electrical dolphin goes for a swim in my pool to clean it, nobody is allowed in the pool, and I have these signs hung up on the pool until it is finished doing its job. Electricity and water are a potentially dangerous combination. Keep your family and guests safe. Place warning signage around the pool while the dolphin or a similar device is in operation. As you can see, I use a lot of these signs. All kidding aside, take the time to be safe.